because many people are making reclamo about the Gilbert Bridge. Okay? You're seeing that on Facebook, okay? People have to understand the history of Gilbert Bridge and why it is the way it is and how it's going to be solved, okay? Because during the opening of the bike lane, diba, when we met together with DPWH at the bypass, diba, we met with Ronald Tan, he's the regional director of DPWH, and I told him about the problem in the Gilbert Bridge, and he referred it to the first district of DPWH. And then, according to Engineer Badwak,
the rehabilitation was done last 2016 po by Viking Construction, which cost them 195 million for the retrofitting and the whole rehabilitation of the bridge. Now the problem now is because yung expansion joint niya na tinatakpan nila ng asphalt, they overlaid also the expansion joint. That's why yung asphalt naman pag naiinitan, nalulusaw siya. Oo, tapos and then additional load for pag nadadaanan ng mabibigat na sasakyan. So nahuhulog talaga yung asphalt. And earlier po, I talked to Engineer Louie Galiza, the Chief of the Planning Division of DPWH Region 1, District 1, and he told me that a rehabilitation will be done by the regional office again next year, 2024, with the amount of 40 million. Yun po
so
yun.
this is why we're calling upon our kailian to be patient. And please not to make reclamo about this issue because it's actually not, we cannot do anything about the rehabilitation of the bridge. This is under the jurisdiction of DPWH, not the city government. People must understand this, okay? But please understand that I have talked to DPWH maraming beses about the issue of Gilbert Bridge. And that is the commitment of Ronald Tan, that they will make sure that there's 40 million available next year for the rehabilitation of Gilbert Bridge, okay? So we're asking everyone to be patient, please.